here okay. Now this ratio is in fractions, just convert this into integers. Okay, just how to find the LCM of 2 and 3 is, so just multiply by 6, then you will get by 2 into 6. What you will get? Okay, now b is to c, b is to c, b is to c is 1 by 5 is to 1 by 3. So just find out the LCM of 5 and 3. So just multiply by 3 is to 5. So now A is to B is 3 is to 2. Now B is to C is 3 is to 5. Now please understand that when A here, okay, A is to B is 3 is to 2, and here please understand that here B, when the B is 2 units, okay, when the B is 2 units, is in proportion with A in such a way that when the B is 2, A is 3, okay. When the B is 3, then the C is 5. So can we find the relation between A and 5? Sorry, A and C. Can we find the relation between A and C? Okay, how to find the relation between A and C? When these three are in proportion. Okay, when these three are in proportion, then we can find the relation between A, B, and so then here how to do it? Okay, you just either multiply this by 2, sorry, multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 2, or just simply you write one. Okay, just simply whatever this in this space, whatever the last integer is there, okay, in this space whatever the last integer is at 2, just you write 2. In the same way here just write 3. Okay, we are writing 3 here because 3 is the last integer in this row, and we are writing 2 here, then just write last integer in this row. 2 is the last integer in this. Okay, for example it will be you just write 10 here, 10 here, here it is 11 is there, that's why you write 11 here, 10 is there, write 10, 11, here 11 is there, that's why 11 is there. Just you just multiply, then you will find the answer type of problem. So here it is 2 is there, that's why I wrote 2 here, it is 3 is there, that's why I wrote 3 here. So the answer is 9 is to 10, 9 is to 6 is to 10. Okay, now what they are asking, A plus B. So now these 3 units are in proportion. Now these 3 quantities are in proportion. Now the ratio of, now we have found the ratio between A, B and C. So these units are proper and they are in proper ratio. So what happens? Now A plus B 15 is to B plus C 16. Fine. So this is the answer. So what we have done here? Is we know out of the two ratios, A is to B and B is to C, B is common, but B is not the same in that ratio and B is not the same in this ratio. Okay, so their ratio is their ratio is different, this ratio is different, but the common term B is there. So to find the common term B, okay, to find the common term B and to make the whole ratio A is to B is to C proportion are in proportion, what we are doing here, we are just drawing this diagram. Okay, A is to B is to C, then A is to B we noted, B is to C noted, there is 2 there, so just we wrote 2 here, 3 is there, just for left side we wrote 3. So just multiply, we multiplied it. Now we got 9:6. So by this diagram we can find the answers, the ratio and proportion questions. Okay. So then we know that A, B, C are in ratio. Okay. So now we can simply add it. A plus B equal to